In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract text from an image for Google Sheets on desktop. This can be particularly useful when you have a physical document, a screenshot, or any kind of image where the text needs to be reused or analyzed within a spreadsheet. So, let's dive right in and make this whole process simple and efficient. First, you want to begin by opening Google Drive in your preferred web browser. This is your main hub for file storage within Google's suite of tools. Once you have Google Drive open, you'll need to upload the image containing the text you want to extract. To do this, simply click on the plus new button in the upper left corner of the Drive interface, select File Upload, and then choose your image from your computer. This step gets our document of interest onto a platform that can interact effectively with Google Docs, which is vital for the extraction process. After your image is successfully uploaded, locate it in your Google Drive. The next step involves transforming this image into text, and we do it by interacting with Google Docs. Right-click on the image that you just uploaded, navigate to Open With, and then select Google Docs. This triggers Google Docs to open a new document with your image placed right at the top of a blank page. Below this image, you'll notice that Google automatically extracts all text it identifies and displays this into the document. Google's optical character recognition, also known as OCR, is at work here, converting your image-based text into an editable format. The next essential step is to scroll past the image in your Google Docs document and locate the extracted text provided. This text can now be used for any purpose like editing, analysis, or calculations in your Google Sheets. Simply highlight the text you want to transfer by clicking and dragging over it with your mouse, then right-click on the highlighted text and select Copy. You can also use the keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl+C on a PC or Command+C on a Mac. This will store the text on your clipboard, making it ready for the final stage. Now, with the text copied, it's time to bring it into Google Sheets. Open the Google Sheets document where you want to analyze or further process this data. Click into the cell where you want your extracted text to appear and paste it. You can do this by right-clicking in the cell and choosing Paste, or employing a shortcut like Ctrl+V on a PC or Command+V on a Mac. And there you have it. The text from your image is now part of your Google Sheets document, ready for whatever your next step may be. And that's how you extract text from an image for Google Sheets on desktop. I hope this tutorial was clear and helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.